Hi guys, welcome back to Talks. Today video is about the how to make a PPT in easy way. I think so it is very useful for BTech students and other students also. Before going to video, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Please forward my channels to your friends and family members. Please do subscribe and support to our channel. Let's begin the video. First, before we have to open the Chrome or Google anything, just go and type canva.ai. I think so you can see clearly. Just click on enter. It's open the website. There you can see the some like what will you design today, like you will see like this. Here you can do something templates, and Canva AI is very useful and it is free guys. It can be used for many times also. It is not any paid or anything else. It's not anything. We can do projects by saving your projects also. You can save, and here you can look at here presentation. You can see here presentation, social media. You can prepare anything for YouTube and Facebook and everything, like Twitter, like social media apps also you can design here. And you can create a video designs, and you can print shop like docs, whiteboard. You can use this whiteboard also for teaching purpose. YouTubers will use, no, I think so. Maybe I can also use after the some days. Some days after I can also use this whiteboard. Maybe I will use, I will say when I will use. Okay, sheets like websites, designing of websites. I think so, like website designing also you can know. App designing also we can do, but here is not the app designing. You can do any designs like photo editor, customer size. You can upload here and more means, like all it will be shown here. Like you can prepare like invitation cards, like any type of things you can make. I recently make these robotics. Let me show. Wait, see guys. I just make like this robotics, introduction to robotics and presentation. You can who gave the presentation, like you can create like these types, and you can create the background, different types of backgrounds also. Let me want to show means I can show guys. Please do comment. You want how to create these PPTs, you want to show means I can show guys. Let's do comment down. You can make the social media. Before making, how to where you have to design all these things, where Canva website, canva.ai. How to do? Now it's your question, right? How to do means just open, just you can see this search bar. You can click something like again I am creating introduction to. Just I'm typing like friend. Just I'm asking like friend, bro, can you do prepare a presentation? I want presentation guys. um, uh, Presentation on introduction to robotics in unique way that should be very beautiful. Just I'm giving the prompt guys. Just simple thing. You have to give some prompt, what you want, PPT or something else. You can want what you want to create. Just here you want to create like thumbnail means you have to categorize the thumbnail, and you have to design brand templates and images. You want videos means it will give, like you have to select all these types, like who is owner, which stocks or something, YouTube channel or date of modify. All you keep means it will store in the like project. It will be stored in like projects. Okay, just I created robotics like this. I gave prompt, right? That prompt only it will give like this. after you are entering that, it will give like this. I just prepared for you for seeing the model, I think so. Okay, just you saw right. That's the video, guys. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. If you want more videos on which topic you want means also, I will continue in the next video about the robot introduction part of the robotics, and next session will be the robotics class. Okay, okay guys, bye bye, thanks for watching this video. Bye bye guys, please do like, share and subscribe.